tomorrow.
If I walk like a penguin, we'll definitely do it tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because that makes total sense.
Like that. Okay?
What?
What?
What did you say?
If you want to look like a penguin, let's give it a try. Okay?
Well, if we get the house clean and Mommy's not feeling so sick, then we'll definitely do that. We'll walk like a penguin down to the stop sign and hug it,
Okay,
just like you want.
Let's give it a try.
Not tonight, because it's late and cold, but tomorrow we will do that. If the house gets clean and Mommy's not too sick. Get away from the road, please. 1, 2. You get back here right this instant. Young lady, you are pushing your luck today. Let's walk down this way towards the porch. Let's go get your bike. She is pushing. Mama's last nerve is just getting plucked and plucked. Would you like some help? See you later.